absolutely wet through.
Oh my god! We've got to get out of here. Ah! So as you can see, they've took the big wheel off because it's just too dangerous at the moment to have that flapping around. And they've got these, I forgot what these are called now, Mark. Can you remember what they're called? They've got a certain name.
Darts, right? Look at it on the pier, the water coming against it.
Yeah, you can just see it bashing against the pier over there.
We've got another hour and a half till high tide, so we're going to eat the fish and chips, aren't we?
So these are the big spoons on the front. They're absolutely bending with the sea.
The following footage you're about to see is what happens when Mark had a brainwave to go and look at the seafront.
Oh! Oh! Which way are we going to go? It's every which way you look.
Right, turn it
you
off.
Can't climb up there.
No, but...
We're going to get... Blackpool's turned wild. Absolute wild.
I'm absolutely wet through.
Oh my god! We've got to get out of here.
I've got salt water in me. I'm wet through.
Oh my god! I'm stuck. We can't be doing it both ends. How are we going to get out of here? Oh my god. Guys, I'm wet through. I'm wet through. This is scary.
I didn't even have water. Oh.
We're stuck. We've got down there to go, and it's coming over the wall there. And it's actually, oh my god. This is horrendous. Come to Blackpool, they say, you are joking.
It's a bit windy, isn't it?
I'm really scared. Look at the waves up here. We've got to get back that way. Oh God. No one sees us again, and they found this camera, you know what's happened. Oh jeez. This is horrendous. Never seen anything like this in our life.
Freezing as well.
But it's like a big to the van As you can see, this is what we were walking into, down to the front. It was sunny. It's windy, I'll give you that, but there was nothing. Didn't expect anything like that.
The waves started coming over, didn't they?
Oh, we are drenched. That was pretty scary. We're back. I'm absolutely wet through. You wet through?
Well, I mean, his shirt's alright, but my legs are. Get my trousers, my things, and probably wring them out. My odd socks.
I'm alright because I've got boots on, so but my pants still feel wet. Where has that just come from? Sunny sky and horrendous seafront, but we're back in one piece. Let's get dry.
Yeah.
Back in the van, dry. That was absolute epic, but absolute scary at the same time. I've never been in anything like that, have you? Just come from absolute nowhere. The winds must have brayed the sea up so much. It's got into the shore and just absolutely hammered hell out of the side wall. Everywhere we looked, there were just waves coming up at us, so my feet are still a bit wet. But I'll just turn you around and I'll show you what I mean. This is what it was like when we got out of the van. Now, you wouldn't expect to get that weather we've just had. when you look at what's outside now. And that's when we started walking down to the seafront. It's probably you can't quite see the sea from here now, it's over the wall, but we're just going to have a drive down the coast. The van's still getting battered by the winds. Here's the sea now. Don't know if you can quite see it over the fence. The illuminations are still up. How, I don't know. But we'll see how much further we can get. God. Can you see this, guys? Dare I get out? So we've managed to get down to the seafront. Betty's getting a free car wash. No, don't put the window down. You bloody sod. Wow, it's rough. We've got sea foam, we've got water. It's just absolutely going right over the motorhome. This is mental. I've never seen it like this ever. Not so close up anyway. The waves are literally coming right over onto the promenade. Wow. Can you see them belting up? We should have the cleanest van in Cleveland, I think, being this close. Whoa! There's people actually braving. Look at the foam coming onto the window screen. There's people stood there actually getting soaked wet through on purpose.
Like us.
Yeah. So when we GoPro there, he's brave. It's just mental weather, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we've dried out. Can't wait to get home after today. Yeah, it's been quite an eventful afternoon, to say the least. Weren't expecting any of that.
Rough, isn't it?
Oh God, yeah. Shattered we all. Did it not tire you out? Yeah, so we're gonna head home. It's another week of work. Woohoo! And then we'll be back out next weekend. So we'll probably catch up with all you guys next weekend.
Don't forget, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. And drop
Ring
us a
the bell. So next time Mark puts one up, you'll know when we've put one on and you can give it a watch. And yeah, drop us a comment. So we do like reading all your comments, and we'll probably catch you on the next one. See you later, guys.